Master Trello, organize your projects like a pro. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to master Trello and organize your projects like a total pro. Just make sure to stick with me till the end because I'll also share a bonus trick to boost your productivity even more. Let's dive in. First, open the Trello app and create a new board. Simply tap the plus icon in the top right and select Create a Board. You can name it after your project, your workflow, or even something fun if that helps you stay motivated. Trello uses a super simple layout: boards, lists, and cards. Think of it like a digital whiteboard where each list is a stage of your project and each card is a task. Now start by creating a few lists. For example, to do, in progress, and done. These help you visualize where each task stands. Then under each list, create cards for individual tasks. Let's say you're working on a YouTube video. You can create cards like Write Script, Edit Video, or Design Thumbnail. Click on a card to add more details. You can set due dates, assign members, write a checklist, or even add attachments. Trello also lets you label your cards with colors to track priorities or categories. Here's the bonus trick: use automation. It's built right into Trello. For example, you can set it so that whenever you move a card to Done, it automatically gets labeled green or gets marked complete. It saves tons of time on repetitive actions. So whether you're managing a solo project or working with a team, Trello can help you stay organized and actually enjoy the process. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments how you use Trello. Catch you in the next one.